Learn how to make your own squirting pumpkin.
No way! Is it really?
Oh, you can feel it.
What? How is he not breathing? This is insane!
Baby. For this one, we are playing Squid Game. EvanEraTV.com. What's good? Welcome back to a special Halloween edition of How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you 7 magic Halloween pranks that you can do.
Say Halloween!
Halloween! If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more magic. If you're ready, hit that thumbs up and let's go! Check out my Halloween pumpkin. I just finished painting it.
Oh my god,
Isn't it cute?
that's so cute.
Here, look closely at it. What happened?
Is that milk?
Oh yeah, I think she's a little full.
That is gonna stink! Seriously?
To set this up, you're going to need a pumpkin carving tool and a squirting flower, available now at EvanEraTV.com. Stay tuned for the end of the video if you want to win a magic squirting flower too. So you're going to need a pumpkin, and you're going to carve the pumpkin not on the top like you normally would, but you're going to flip it around to the back side. You're going to cut a hole right in the back of the pumpkin right here. Remove all the guts from the pumpkin and hollow it out. Once you have the pumpkin completely hollowed out, you're going to flip it around to the front, and you're going to poke a hole right in the front of the pumpkin, about where you want your cow's udder to be. Take your squirting flower and remove the flower part. You can put this back on afterwards so it's not destroyed, but all you want is this little squirting device right here. You're going to fill this up with oat milk or almond milk. You could also fill it up with regular milk, but dairy does spoil quickly, so oat or almond milk works better. You're then going to take this and mount it inside right here in this hole that you just made. Now your next step is to illustrate the cow on the front of the pumpkin. So just draw your cow in. You've got your little squeezer here filled with milk. All you have to do is squeeze it while presenting the pumpkin from the front, and milk will squirt out of the cow's udder just like that. Isn't it cute? Look, she's a milk cow.
Oh, Dad.
It's actually milk.
Ew, that's gross.
Super cool ketchup trick. So check this out. I've got some ketchup and a plate. If you put a little ketchup right in the middle of the plate just like this.
Okay.
Now I've got some salt here, just normal, everyday table salt.
Okay. Put
some salt.
Yeah.
On the ketchup.
This is different.
Yeah, it's kind of like a science trick.
Oh, okay.
So you put the salt on the ketchup, right?
I was thinking it's gonna explode.
Now, what do you think is gonna happen here?
I was just gonna say, like, I think it's gonna explode, which I probably shouldn't be down here though.
No, it's not gonna explode.
It'll.
So the salt goes on the ketchup, and it kind of reacts with the acidity of the ketchup. What do you think happens there?
It eats it away?
No.
It gets goopy.
No.
It gets hot?
Yeah, it starts to heat up.
Is it really?
Yeah, you can feel it.
What? Ah! I knew it! I knew it! I did it anyway! I knew it! Oh. I fell for that. I fell for that. I knew that wasn't gonna work.
This is a funny prank that's good any time of the year, not just Halloween. All you need is some ketchup and some salt, and you kind of present this as like a science trick. So you put some ketchup on the plate like this, and you're like, check this out. If you put some salt on the ketchup, most people don't know this, but salt and ketchup react with each other. They have like a chemical reaction, and you kind of like put your hand over it like you're feeling the warmth coming off the ketchup, and then you kind of get them to do the same thing. And as soon as they put their hand over it, you push their hand into the ketchup, and now they've got a sticky mess all over their hand, but it's a harmless prank. Okay, we are bobbing for apples. This is a Halloween tradition, so you got all the apples in the big tub here, and we're gonna time each other and see who can do it fastest, okay?
And I'm so
it's like
good
a
at
challenge, all right?
This challenge I will win.
You think so?
It's undeniable.
Oh, there's no way, dude.
I've done this
all right, you ready?
so many years.
All right, you're gonna time me?
Yes.
Okay.
Ready?
Hang on. Get my goggles ready. Take a deep breath here.
That intense. Here you go. Oh, he's going. He may be good at this, but I am the best at bobbing for apples. There's no way he's gonna beat me. Okay. Do you think he's gonna beat me? Really one of the more old school games, but I know a lot of people that played it and I absolutely love it. But he's getting to a minute right now, and Evan, this is extreme. How is he not breathing? Evan, this is too much. Evan, this is a minute 30. How is he not breathing? This is insane. Seriously, is this part of it? Evan, like seriously, it's 2 minutes. Hey, this is not okay. Huh? How is that possible?
Get an apple.
That was not fun for me.
See?
That was what you were doing?
2 minutes and 15 seconds?
Are you kidding right now?
I got it.
Are you kidding?
What do you mean?
You were underwater that entire time.
Oh yeah, I was trying to get the
There's
apple.
no way I cannot do this challenge with you. All right, my turn.
Let's do it. You really think you can beat me?
Yeah.
I mean, it did take like 2 minutes, so give it a
2
go.
whole minutes. I feel like I got this. Okay, here we go.
All right, I'm timing you, and go. Whoa! No way! That was 5 seconds. What? How is that possible?
I told you to do this really one time.
That's insane. Did you really bite it?
Yeah. Well,
I'm genuinely impressed. That was amazing. That was crazier than what I did. All right, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Here is what you need to set up the bobbing for apples prank. You're going to need a big metal tub like this, and you're going to need a drill. Your first step here is to drill a hole in the bottom of the tub. Now we're just gonna smooth out the edges of the hole. The next thing you're going to need is an air supply hose. This is like aquarium tubing. It's just a clear piece of tube big enough for you to breathe through, like a snorkel. Now we're gonna take the hole that we just made in the tub and stick the tube through it. Once you have the tube through, continue pulling. And now this is going to be our hidden air supply hose. This is how we're gonna stay underwater for so long and make it look like we're holding our breath for multiple minutes. So now you're going to seal up the tube by putting a little bit of hot glue or silicone right around the edges, and that will stop water from leaking out. Now you're gonna take something like a metal place card holder in order to hold your tube upright just like this, and then tape it in place. Now you're going to take a receipt holder and tape it on the side of the bucket just like this. Now you're going to take a balloon and a rubber band, and you're gonna make a little nozzle for the end just like this so that water won't immediately leak out, but you can still breathe through it. Now your next step is to fill the tub with water and add your apples. Now you're ready to stick your secret apple in place right here on our receipt thingy. Now we're going to fill this up the rest of the way with water, and it will cover our secret air hose and our secret apple. So now you're all set to do the challenge. When you go underwater, you're just gonna find your secret air hose, and you can breathe through it as long as you need to. Then when you're ready to come up, just grab your secret apple, and that is how you do the bobbing for apples prank. Got a cool Halloween trick to show you. Watch. High five. No. Classic Halloween prank here. This is a fake hand. This is also a fake knife. So you're going to need to be wearing a long sleeve shirt for this, and then just kind of slide your real hand inside and use it to hold your fake hand just like this. Kind of use your real hand to hold the fake hand, and then at the right moment, just let go of it. And it looks like you've chopped your hand off. Then once they freak out, your real hand magically emerges from your sleeve, and they realize it's just a harmless Halloween prank. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up and stay tuned to the end if you want to win this magic fake hand. Hey B.
This better be that ink. Is this gonna disappear?
Disappear.
Yeah, I see that.
It's just a prank, bro. Happy Halloween.
Oh, for me.
It'll go away. See, it's completely gone. Your shirt's fine.
I know, but seriously, Not cool.
This is a classic magic prank. This is magic disappearing ink. I got my first bottle of this when I was a kid and I loved it. And I'm super excited to announce we now have this available at EvanEraTV.com for you. It is a super special magic liquid that when you first squirt it out is dark blue, but then it magically fades into nothing. The bottle has a little squirt hole in the top and all you have to do is squeeze it and it will squirt just like that. People will freak out when you do this. But it really is a harmless prank. First, the color fades completely, and then once the water dries, their clothing is left completely unharmed. Available now at EvanEraTV.com. Get some now for Halloween, or stay tuned for the end of the video if you want to win some for free. As you know, it is Halloween time, so we are going to take a walk in the haunted forest.
No.
Are you ready?
No, we're not doing that.
You can bring the flashlight with you so you can see where you're going.
Does it work though?
It does, yes.
No, it doesn't.
Well, it just needs batteries. There's batteries right there.
Do these work?
Yes.
Every time! Every time! Never let up.
This is the magic flashlight prank. This is a classic. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm giving this away to one lucky comment. You get somebody out in the woods, a real creepy vibe. Maybe you're going to a haunted house. You give them a flashlight, but the batteries don't work, right? They're out of batteries. Then when they go to open it to put the batteries in, they get a good Halloween scare from this magic spring snake. So super simple setup. All you do is take this thing and smush it down inside the flashlight. It's not even a real flashlight. And then you just put this cap on like this, and you're good to go for your Halloween prank. Stay tuned for the end of the video if you want to win. For this one, we are playing Squid Game. I'm just kidding. So, but I do have these 3 cards, and I also have another 3 cards right here. These are all different symbols, as you can see, right?
Okay.
Okay, all different symbols, right?
Okay.
I'm going to have you pick one of the symbols. Before I do that, I have a little mirror right here.
Okay.
It's a haunted ghost mirror, and it's actually going to help us determine your selection here in a moment. I also have a little plastic piece of film here.
Okay.
So I'm going to have you pick one of these symbols. Just think of a number between 1 and 6.
2.
2? Alright, so 1, 2.
Okay.
Go ahead and look at the card that we stopped at for you.
Okay.
Show it to the camera.
I like that one.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so check this out. You have the symbol in your mind?
Yes.
Yeah. Alright, so this little piece of film, as you can see, is totally like see-through. There's nothing on it.
Yeah.
But if I hold it up in the mirror like this, if you look at the reflection in the mirror, you can see the symbol that you thought of.
Whoa!
See it?
Are you kidding?
But watch, if I take it like this,
That is impossible.
just hold up.
Oh, no way!
Like that.
How would you... What?
I didn't know the mirror logo.
That is spooky. Yes, it's the yellow star.
Here is the secret to the ghost mirror trick. So you have these ESP cards here. You're gonna force the yellow star. You're gonna make sure that they pick that one. You're gonna do that by simply having it on the bottom, and no matter what number they say, you're going to deal that card from the bottom of the deck on the number that they pick. So let's say they say 3, 1, 2, and on 3, you're gonna deal that card from the bottom. Now we know that they picked the yellow star. Our magic ghost mirror actually has a secret compartment in the back of it that can hide the star. So it slides inside just like this, and you're gonna hide it in here before the trick starts. And just have the little corner poking out just like that. You can cover that with your fingers. Now the other part of the trick is this little thing right here, this little piece of plastic film. It looks like there's absolutely nothing on it from this side, but if you flip it over, it has the image of the star. This works because of the tiny little dots are only printed with the white image on this side of it. On the back side, they're all printed black, so it looks like it's completely blank. So now when we hold this in the mirror, it looks like somehow a ghostly image is appearing on the card, but we can only see it in the mirror. Then when you're ready to bring the ghostly image to life, simply set the piece of plastic on the mirror like this, and then you're in perfect position to grab the end of the star. As you pull out like this, you're going to slowly remove that from your secret compartment on the back, and then you can just pop it right into existence just like this. Your audience can examine that. Super cool mind-reading magic trick that anyone can do. Stay tuned if you want to win this magic prop. And that is it for this video. Hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone you think might like it too. Be sure to check out our full playlist of Halloween magic pranks. And if you missed the last episode of How To Magic, be sure to check it out right up here. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic props from this video, so if you want to win any of these cool magic tricks, just leave a comment down below, be subscribed to the channel, and hit that thumbs up button for me. It's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners of the giveaway are magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to our winners. Instructions on how to claim your prize are in the description of the video. Be sure to check out EvanEraTV.com. That is our online magic shop. We have a ton of really cool Halloween magic tricks and pranks that you can get in time for the holiday if you order now. The link for that is in the description at EvanEraTV.com. Once again, hit that subscribe button if you're new, and until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys. Happy Halloween.